Unit 7, The Golden Deer. Pre-reading activity. Students ask each other, do you like to play? Which is your favorite game? Describe how it played. Let me read the lesson. It was 4 in the morning. There was still darkness all around. Barefoot, the girl ran fast on the sand beside the waves. Feeling out of breath, she sank on the ground. Immediately, Nambir came behind her and ordered her to get up and continue running, which she did because she wanted to be the fastest runner in India. This girl was the tall athlete P.T. Usha, trained under the watchful eye of her coach, Nambir. Her determination and perseverance led her on to become not only India's fastest runner but also the first Indian to grab gold medals at the Asian Games. Pilaula Kandi Thakke Parambali Usha was born in Kerala in 1964. When she was 12, she joined a sports school at Kannur, where she received guidance and training from O.P. Nambir, a noted athletics coach. P.T. Usha's golden story begins from the 1982 Asiad, in which she won two gold medals in 100 and 200 meters respectively. At Los Angeles Olympics held in 1984, she had to be content with the fourth place. She was the first Indian woman to have won such an honor during 1983-89. She won 17 medals, 13 gold, 3 silvers and a bronze in 4th Asian Track and Field Championship. So she was called as the Golden Deer. P.T. Usha was won 101 international medals so far. At present, she is an officer in the Southern Railways. In spite of her age, married status, and motherhood, she is still active in sports. Dear students, please read this lesson, watch in your book also, and listen this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.